coriander. Let's add some flavor to life.
This AI fruit talking videos is actually blowing up right now and pulling in millions of views. And so many channels are posting this and going viral. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to how to create your own and start posting on your social media platform. If this sounds like what you want to know, don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Let's go.
So the first thing you have to do is to head over to Pinterest to get an inspiration on what you want to generate. So I'm going to be searching for these food talking videos. And once you put in it, it will bring out so many food talking videos. So you need to choose the one that suits your style. Just scroll, play with it, check different styles and how people are making their own to be more unique and presentable. So screenshot what you want, then take it to ChatGPT. Once you take it to CapCut, ask it to generate me a photo like this, but carrot, because I want to make my own carrot. So once you put in this prompt, you send it, ChatGPT will not generate your own image like this. It's very simple to do. Once you are generating the image, download it, click on it and download it into your phone. Once you download it, head over to CapCut. Once you get into CapCut, import your new project. Once you import the project into CapCut, tap on your project. Once you tap on it, we are going to be looking for AI image to video. Once you head over to this place, type in your prompt. So I'm going to be asking it to make this image to make hand gestures and movement. That is the first thing you are going to be doing, asking it to make it move and make hand gestures. Once you type in your prompt, you click on generate. Give it some minutes and it will generate your videos. Once the video is generating, you can go and get your prompt on what you want your video to talk. So once it's done, we are going to get over to AI video generator. So once you click on AI video generation, then you put in your prompt, your script or your voice. So I'm gonna be giving it a prompt. To generate for me. So make sure you are specific with your prompt and all of that, so that it will be very specific, so that it will be giving you exactly what you want, not saying another thing, because this is AI and it can make mistake. So you have to gradually edit your prompt very well to match the things you want to do. You can actually choose voices from CapCut to talk for you. You can actually use your own voice on CapCut, but in this video I'm gonna be choosing their voice, because so that it will be more simple and this video will not be much longer. So if you are enjoying this video to this moment, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and please rewatch this video so that YouTube will know that this video is worth watching. After typing in your prompt, then click on AI voice you want to be hearing on the video. You want your carrots to talk. So I'm gonna be choosing any one of these for this video purpose. Yes, once I choose the prompt, I hit on generate. Allow your video to load, give it some time, don't mind about this thing, but actually this video will consume you a credit. So if you are not a CapCut pro, you can do some tasks on this CapCut to get credit. And if you want me to do video on how to get credit, you can comment on this video and I will share the video the next time. So once you are done, you click on generate and then your video is ready. This is it. Let's listen
Hi,
to
I'm
the
Carrot.
video.
Eat me every day, and don't forget to like and follow this page. Thanks for more tutorials.
Don't forget to like and follow me for more tutorials. See you in my next video.